forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 200,000 subs. Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the MTN8, Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Polokwane City 2. I'm joined by Abud Watabs Choshi.
That's Tibo.
Tibo
I don't have much to say. Next year, before the game, Mamelodi Sundowns, they're really gaming Orlando Pirates, and as you can see, I'm not happy because of what happened there.
Yeah.
And you know, as fans, we were supposed to enjoy, like we were supposed to be there and watch football. But unfortunately, there we felt like as if like people were watching us, and every time we released the ball, we felt as if like we're gonna be attacked. So. Because of what? Because not because they felt as if none remains or was we were there just because we wanted to watch football.
So we love football.
We love football. Passion is where in football. Passion is where like in football. That's where passion comes from. So we were there because we actually wanted to watch the boys play. Happy, like it has been a while ever since we watched South African football. So like me being at Orlando Stadium, it was that much of joy.
For first time for this.
And it was actually the first time I saw this season, so I had to be there just to enjoy myself. So the experience and what I saw, it was probably not pleasing and it was not nice. But what I actually want from them and the management is to just to improve and just to make sure that they accommodate everyone. More especially if you are a football fan. It doesn't necessarily have to be Mamelodi Sundowns fan or a Kaizer Chiefs fan or Orlando Pirates fan. It has to be everyone. We have to be like even FNB Stadium. You'll probably find Mamelodi Sundowns fans, Orlando Pirates there. You'd find them there. Violence, no nothing. So that's exactly what we want from them. So, but overall, the football, what we watched there was actually exciting. Everything was there, and I enjoyed it. And nice game from the boys, and I probably hope that's actually what we're gonna see throughout the whole entire seasons. Otherwise, thank you.
Thank you.
Hola.
Arena Stadium. Na interviews. I interviews silo. Ro tshaba o ya go di gaming because re shupwa ka monwana. Re betho ka mpama. Re betho ka di pepper spray. I know the game or Arena Stadium. Pepper spray ya bereka kwa. But the stadium tse di ma pepper spray.
Okay, Steve. Okay, Steve.